Hello, everyone. I'm going to do a series of videos where I will be learning some stuff, and you just be seeing me learn, and perhaps we'll be learning a lot with me as well. It's kind of weird, I know, but think of this as the when people play some games online and you see the others. So I'm going to share my screen. I will share this in this case. Okay, so in this case, I'm doing the course Generative AI Solution Development. And what I have here are several slides. So let's see if I can understand this. So I'm going to start with the prompt engineering primer. So they say here that we discussed the prompt engineering primer, including basics, prompt formulations, different prompts, meaning strategy, key types, guiding models, and benefits and limitation of each approach. Okay, so prompt. What is a prompt? A prompt is an input or query giving to a LLM. Okay, prompt engineering is the practice of designing and refining the prompts. So, usually in the natural language that the process in order to generate models. Prompt engineering involves designing these prompts to fall similar to how I explain concepts. Okay, by giving more, the model can provide better answers. Okay, and then they have also here some links. Okay, yeah, cool. I'm just going to do here some notes on my paper about this course. Yeah, okay. So about prompt, it's input or query. Query, normally not normally in natural language. Okay, and prompt engineering. Engineering. It's the way we design and refine prompts. See what they do here involves explain it. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, the basics. Yeah, I already saw this before. Yeah, they have some components like the instructions, context, input, and the format. I have here the example. Cool. So basics should include instruction. I assume that the instruction should be something like the verb. Yeah, summarize or something like that. Okay, context, input slash question. Here they are putting the following, okay, and the output format. Yeah, okay. Type slash format. Yeah, okay, yeah. Basically defining the output, such as asking for assigning 3 bullets, species instruction, the prompt is more. Okay, let's go. Next slide. Some techniques, many techniques. Okay. zero shot. Kind of weird. Zero shot, like no information. Prompt generated text or perform task without providing any example. Yeah, probably the LLM will not work so good in this, but okay. I like this one. Providing few shots, at least some shots. And provide few inputs to guide the model. Yeah, such as, okay, some techniques. We have the zero shot or few shots. Okay. Zero shots when the model is also performed without giving an example. Yeah, few shots involves a few examples. With tasks like sentiment analysis, where examples can guide the model response. Okay, good. Understand. Yeah. Both methods are well used. Better outcomes. Okay. Next technique, chaining. So multiple tasks are linked together. Also more complex tasks to be broken down to into steps like yeah, produces. Okay, yeah, like a chain. Okay. Prompt chaining. Okay. This approach breaks down the task and guides more through each star. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Next, chain of thought. So it's similar to the other one, but with thoughts. Okay. Yeah, this is good for the mathematical approach. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Chain of thoughts. Prompt techniques. UT. Oh, UT. So, guiding several steps. So the bakery, instead of being like this, having bakeries to the 3 bananas. If they're, oh man, let's think step by step. And then they gave us this. Okay. Where the model is encouraged to. Some models are capable of doing this. Okay. These techniques. And come on, bro. For more advanced reasoning tasks that require breakdowns. Yeah, exactly. Okay, some tips and tricks. Okay, prompt guides, different models may require different prompts. Yeah, this is important. Models, yeah, okay. Provide examples. This is also very important. Different use case, different prompts. Is also important. Cases, different prompts. Iterative development is key. By adjusting the temperature parameter higher for more creative. Okay. And be aware of the bias and hallucination, of course. Different models can be, it's important to experiment with both parameters. Okay, next slide. A tip, use format inputs. So put some delimiters when it's extraction. Yeah, these are already used. It. Pretty cool. They know. Oh, instruction. Yeah, use delimiters. This is pretty cool. Use delimiters. Okay, and ask the model to return a specific structure output. Yeah, ask. Oh, I don't know how to write fast anymore. I already left university 20 years ago. Specific output and provide a correct example. Correct example. Okay. Next slide. Now tip. Yeah, ask the model to not hallucinate. Do not make things up if you don't know. Ask the model to not assume. Yeah, do not make assumptions. Hallucinate, assume, or hallucinate. This is similar information here. Hallucinate. Ask a model not to rush the solution. Yeah, think a little bit more and do the COT. Yeah, exactly. Not just give me the information. Do not rush. Cool. Next. So benefits and limitations. Sorry, I don't understand this. Simple. Benefits and limitations of the prompt. Okay. Benefits and limitations. So it's simple and implicit. Time taken to generate the ideal result is lower. Yeah. Predictable, consistent, generate results that meet predefined standard. Okay. And how long? Okay, cool. The output depends on the used model, of course, limited by pre-train. Yeah, even if you go good prompt engineering, exactly. A way of getting to, yeah, since anyone with access to the chat can experiment and share, yeah, or whatever, to come for the need of fit everything with the model capabilities, of course. Okay, I need to say on the beginning, this course I'm doing it's from Databricks, from the Databricks Academy. So it's free of use. And I hope you enjoyed and stay for the next.